Hey gals and guys, it's Christopher Bush from MyMediaHelper.com, and I so didn't plan to make this video, but I made it. So if you're getting an error occurred, if this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at help.openai.com through ChatGPT. This is what I did to correct it. It's a new system. It gets overcapacitated. Sometimes you have to clear your cache, your cookies, and your temp files to get back into it. I didn't mean to make this video. It just happened. I want to show you how to use GPT and how to write an article with it. I won't do it in this particular video. I'll have to do it in another video. But if you're getting that error, here's how to fix it.
Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today we're going to focus on something that's fairly new that you're seeing in the news these days. You're seeing several articles on them. It seems to be like the next big internet thing that's ChatGPT, and if you're not aware of what that is, it's an AI that basically can write content for you. I mean, things off the top of my head would be like articles, code, and like recipes. I had it write a recipe for me, like food recipe. The only thing with this, it's very difficult at times to get in. So this is Saturday at about 10:30 a.m. and I'm able to get in during the week. It's virtually impossible to the fact that it only allows so many people in, and it's such a big new thing that everyone and their mother and their mother's mother is using it. So today what we're going to do is we're just going to do like some type of article, generic article. I think what I'm going to do is something really basic. I'm going to do what is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to do that as an article, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT, and it's going to write out an article for me. We're going to check different things. We'll check for grammar. We'll check for plagiarism. We'll actually publish the article on WordPress platform, and we'll grab some affiliate links and put that in. So there's a lot to do. Grab some affiliate links and put them on there. So just some tools, and we'll go through these tools as we go. Canva, ChatGPT, of course, AnyWord. I'm going to do a different video on that. WordStream, so that's for your SEO. Photopea, it's like a Photoshop program. Muncheye and ClickBank are both affiliate websites where you can get affiliate links from. Plagiarism Checker to make sure that there's not an article out there that's similar to yours. And then Grammarly, check grammar and all that good stuff. But ChatGPT, spelling and grammar is pretty much they pretty much take care of that for you. And plus there's going to be WordPress. We'll be using WordPress. You may have some type of other program, or maybe you just need a script for a YouTube video, or whatever the case may be. GPT is going to do this for us. So let's just, so you go into this link, and this link will be in the description, and then you're just clicking on there. You're putting in your address. I think it asks like your date of birth, your first and last name, and nothing to, it doesn't ask you for a credit card or anything like that. There's nothing to download. It's an online internet program. So this is the interface. So this is the back end. So we're going to ask, what is affiliate marketing? Oop. Yeah, it doesn't really matter if that's capitalized or not, but let's get all anal about it, shall we? All right, so we're going to hit this. Error occurred. The issue persists, please. Okay. All right, that was a little hiccup in the road. I wasn't sure why it was doing that, so I went over. This is my Media Helper login for my Chrome. So I went over to mine and tried it, and it worked just fine. So I went back here. I went over and let's see, I hit more tools, and then I cleared my browser data, and now it looks like it's working again. So if that happens to you, you get that error, just clear out your browser data and start from scratch. All right, so I'm pretty confident it's going to work this time. So let's put in what is affiliate. If it doesn't work this time, this video is going to be about how to fix your errors in ChatGPT. There we go. All right, that's what it's supposed to do. So it's going to go out into the interwebs and seek out articles on my question and put together its own thing. All right. So if it stops there, what you can do, obviously that's not an article. I want more paragraphs than that. You can just put in more. And while we're waiting, while that's generating more, let's take this. Let's just copy it. What I like to do is just copy it into a notepad just to get any formatting off it that might happen. And then just put it into like your Google Docs, or if you happen to have Office 365. I'm going to sign back into this because I signed off. So that's what happens, is because so many people use it, and now it's almost 11 a.m. As I'm doing this, it keeps kicking me off. So there's so many people using it, and I did get a message when I signed back in stating that there's more use than normal. So expect to get kicked off a lot, I guess. Sometimes I can barely get on, but everything's saved. So right out here, you can continue where you left off. So if you do get kicked off and you can't get back on, I mean, don't worry. This is all saved. You can go back and do it. I just wanted a little more to the article. So again, it's here. So affiliate marketing standard. Okay. And then that's probably enough for the article. Let me go regular 12. Let me see how many words that is. So if you go into review, you go into word count. So characters, 377 words. Do I want more words than that? I don't want a super long article. I'm going to try if I can get away with one more. See, so I'll have to go back and I'll have to clear out the data again and get back into it. We're going to work with what we have for now. It's Saturday morning. There's probably a lot of people on here, and until they expand capacity, and it's such a popular product right now, it's blown out the wall. It's, like I said, it's in the news. There's articles all over the place. There's YouTube videos. Affiliate marketers are doing affiliate YouTube videos on this and stuff. It's just a lot of users out of the blue are using this thing, and it's just going to go over capacity. So let's do what we've got, and we'll continue. So I just wanted to show you while I had it up. I went in and cleared everything again, and then this is what I'm getting. So ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So if you're going to use this, you're going to have to use it on off hours, and I'm sure this will change as this moves forward, just to the fact that it's so popular. It's just getting hit very quickly, probably more than it ever thought. So we'll just deal with what we have. I just wanted to show you this is what you get. Work on off hours. Work in the morning, early at morning, or like right. We started at 10. We were able to get in, and now it's the afternoons coming and everything on a Saturday. So that's what it is. So let's deal with it. And there's another one called AnyWord, which I'm going to make another video on, which is never to capacity. So we'll touch on that next video, but let's continue with this one. All right, gals and guys, that's it for this particular video. I hope that helped you if you're getting that error. And I'm really going to show you how to use GPT, how to create an article, and how to put it up, I promise. That's what this video is supposed to do. So real quick, just subscribe if you could. Like if you could, share if you could, and hit the bell if you could. And I'm going to make the actual video that I intended to make in the first place.